Yo guys, there was at one point in time, it was almost impossible to get sneakers like these right here. Now, everybody's just completely sleeping, but I definitely think it's gonna be a major comeback before we got inside the box. Let's go ahead and get into today's video. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into yet another video, man. I appreciate everybody for tapping in. You guys already know what to do when we drop a video. Everybody go ahead and spam the likes up right now. Even if you're not subscribed, it's a huge difference between people subscribe and not subscribe to watch the videos. So just please, you know what I'm saying, smack that like button. If you do mind, hit that sub button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop. You guys know the goal is 100K this year. We're gonna do a crazy giveaway at 100K. Best believe that. And again, thanks so much everybody that tapped in, man. All right, man, let's go ahead and get right into this package. So like I said in the intro, it was one point in time where me growing up, it was almost impossible to get these. One was mainly because of price point. Two is because they made a lot of dope colorways to where everybody wanted it. And back then, you guys know it wasn't no StockX to go like that, and people were trying to hit you up over that head paying resale for a sneaker like this. So without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get into it. I actually had these for a little minute now. I was hesitant on copping this because I kind of knew people was gonna sleep on this classic, bruh. I already knew it. But for me, and if you guys know, you've been watching the channel for a while, you probably know exactly why I purchased these things right here. I love these sneakers. And I'm gonna drop the full collection video in the description box. You guys tap in. So let's go ahead and get into it. You guys see it, man. You guys see it, bro. That big Nike on the front of the box right here. And the box looking nice, bro. Okay, Nike. I see what y'all doing there. Yes, sir, man. You guys see it. Nike all over the box. Nice, pristine condition. And I'm telling y'all, I definitely think these are gonna make a major comeback next year, especially when I tell you guys what's happening in 2024 with this exact sneaker. All right, guys, so the official colorway is Air Foam Posite 1, white, metallic, silver, and black. And yes, sir, we have a pair of foam posits, man. Yes, sir. Like I said, I remember back when we got some crazy colorways like the pink lemonades, the yellow joints, the varsity reds. There was just so many dope colorways that did come out. And these right here released recently. I said, you know what? I cannot sleep on them anymore. I had to have these in the collection. Nice little revamp, nice pickup, because I haven't had a pair of foams in a very long time, man. So let's go ahead and peel the paper open, pull the box open, and here we have it. 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. Check these beauties out, man. Had to have them. So beautiful. And like I said, I was seeing them on the sneakers app sitting for a little while. I said, what am I doing, bro? I love foam posits. And like I said, I have a whole foam posit collection video. That was like one of my most viewed videos on my channel for a very long time. And I said, you know what, let's go ahead and revamp it. Let's go ahead and start picking these foams up, because next year, if you guys do not know, the Galaxy 1.0s will be restocking in 2024. And I don't know if it's going to be a limited restock. I don't know if it's going to be a massive restock. I honestly do not know. But I feel like, you know, some colorways, especially these right here, I just love the versatility of it. Definitely rock this with a lot of different things. You got a pair of foam posits, bro. I just love them. Classic sneaker. If you guys been collecting sneakers for a while, you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. Like I said earlier in the video, I really think the price point is what really pushes a lot of people away. You guys know Jordan's raised up to 180 for the Jordan 1s, and mainly for, you know, other silhouettes is 200 to 210. These right here used to be 220, 225 back in the day. Now they're retailing for $240. Yes, that is crazy, right? I definitely spent that much on it. I didn't want to, you know, have to go through the hassle of trying to, you know, get them on StockX or go or anything like that. When I did see them sitting, they weren't sitting for that long. And I said, you know what, let me go ahead and grab them. They might be on the Nike app, you know what I'm saying? They might be. I'm not trying to persuade you guys to grab these joints, but just for me, you know what I'm saying? Growing up, always loved foams, and I have so many foams. You guys probably don't believe me, but I'm gonna tag my foam posit collection down below. You're gonna see a Young Da Vintage talking about all the foam posit he did have, where I still have them, you know what I'm saying, to this day. And my most sought after one is the Galaxy foam posits that will be dropping again in 2024. But when they first dropped, you guys know about the release, man. It was all over the news. It was all over the internet. That shoe right there was one of the most sought after sneakers in a very long time. and it happened to be a pair of foams. So I'm already telling y'all, next year when they do drop them, it's gonna be a lot of Foamposite fans out there. Everybody that all of a sudden start loving foams are gonna be talking about it, gonna be grabbing them. But I know some true OGs out there that love them a pair of Foamposites. So I actually had to, you know what I'm saying, go digging in the closet for a pair of Foamposites that did have. Check them out. This is the Galaxy 2.0s that I grabbed a couple. I think I grabbed these back in like 2018 when they first dropped. Had to pay resale, but the crazy thing is I only paid $500 for it. And now right now, if you check the sizes, for size 9, 9.5, these joints are going for damn near $1,000. Yes, $1,000. That's what I'm telling y'all. Next year, when these Galaxy 1.0s do drop, I already know, bruh, they might off rip be going for $600-700. And once, you know, all the pairs is out, they're gonna start raising right back up to what they're going for now, which is over $1,000, man. But these right here, my babies, I had to have them. Super beautiful. Came with the little, you know, flight tag on them, all that good stuff, you know what I mean? But my favorite Foamposite in the collection right now has to be, you know what I'm saying, the 2.0 Galaxy things. And yes, I have worn them. I wear all my shoes. Everybody always asking me. When I get around to them, I get around to them. So the official colorway on these, on sneakers and on Nike, was Foamposite white and black. I'm pretty sure this had to, you know, credit to when he did play for the Orlando Magic. You kind of have that baby blue on his logo and on the pull tab in the back. And you also get that same little hits of baby blue on the tongue logo as well, man. It's super easy to kind of break these down. One thing I do want to point out, if you do want to start copying Foamposites, is go up a half a size. I kind of messed up and getting a size 9. They'll be fine. But when you want to, you know, rock your sneakers, you don't want them to start hurting over time, definitely go up a half a size. I promise y'all. Like I said, just an overall classic colorway, classic sneaker. I had to get them. I couldn't wait any longer. And I was like, bro, I haven't bought a pair of foams in forever. So it was a perfect opportunity for me to grab these joints on the Nike Sneakers app. That got them signed, looked real good. Kind of brought back some old memories from when I really wanted the foams back in the day. And like I said, this could be, you know what I'm saying, start the trend next year when we do get the Galaxy Foamposite 1.0s for, you know what I'm saying, that hype, that want for the Foamposites to go back up. I'm telling y'all, out of nowhere, you're gonna see some random Foamposite fans or some random people that say, oh, I love foams, I need the Galaxies. You guys already know what it is. They know that resale gonna be high. They know that they're gonna be a little bit limited. I ain't gonna lie, they're gonna be a little bit limited. And you know, OGs like me, OGs like everybody that love foams, gonna be a little salty because you might have to end up paying resale. It is what it is. So I appreciate everybody for tapping into today's video. Subscribe right now, hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content that we do drop, and spam the likes up. Every like counts, every comment counts. Like I said, we're gonna get that 100K with you guys' support. Thanks for tapping in. And with all this being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in next video. Peace.